Here is our lechon. Let me... Good morning, everyone. This is me again, Maria Adventure Norway, and for today's content, we will going to make lechon belly. Guys, don't expect that it's whole lechon. We are here in Norway, you know. We're just trying to make this as much as possible to taste the lechon from Philippines. Here are temporarily ingredients because I don't think this is really the exact ingredients that we are needed. But we will try to make it taste like a real lechon from Philippines. We have the soy sauce, garlic, lemongrass, spring onion, cotton tie to tie the lechon belly. He is now starting to get rid all of the bones. I mean, we are trying to get the bones as much as possible, then we can roll the pork belly. I'm doing the garlic. He will be going to do the lemongrass and the onion. And let's start to roll it, roll it. You can do it. Really struggling how to tie it because it's hard to roll the belly, but I think we do a bit successful here. And here we go. Ready. The lemongrass, garlic, onion, spring onion. We start to reheat the oven. Of course, after putting all the ingredients, we need to clean our mess. So I'm going to do like this, cross finger. So we are trying to use the 80 degrees Celsius for 3 hours here in the oven. After 3 hours of 80 degrees Celsius, we need to have another hours to make it more warmer and cook the lechon belly. And also we're going to put the soy sauce in the skin later.
One eternity later.
So after 3 hours, this is how it looks like. After 3 hours, we are going to put the soy sauce for the skin and we will increase the temperature of the oven. Here is the lechon belly. Looks so yummy. Change the temperature now 200 degrees. After that, lechon belly is ready. It's 200 degrees now. We're not sure, but we will going to check after an hour if it's already cooked or it looks good. We're going to flip it because I think this is cooked. It's cooked now on the other side. Let's do this. Of course, what's the partner of lechon? It's rice. So we'll use a bit. Nice. And we were going to prepare the table. It's my task. Finally, after 5 hours, lechon belly is ready. Here is our lechon. Naririnig nyo guys? Tumutunog pa. And I have started to put the plates. The rice is ready. We will just take this out and put it in the plate. And around. He's making the sauce. It's surprise sauce. The sauce, it's Perfect match for the lechon. Guess what is it? We start cutting it. Oh, yummy. Going to put this in the table. Here we go. And of course, hindi mawawala si Mang Tomas. He's going to try the first time lechon with Mang Tomas and rice. He's good? Oh, he likes the lechon. He likes it. Of course, it's time for me to try this one. Oh, it's very tender. With the skin. I can hear the skin.
Yeah.
It's crunchy. Oh, this is so good. I miss this. Here comes the skin. Lechon made in Norway. Amazing. Guys, he really likes it and he wants our big slice.
A few moments later.
So from the whole belly, this is leftovers. We only have half lechon belly now, so it seems like we both like it. And I am going to do this to cook lechon paksiw tomorrow. Usually we do it like if we will not finish the lechon, we will do it lechon paksiw after. I'll try to do it tomorrow and let him taste it also. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'm very happy that he likes the lechon, and I am also very happy that we made it. I thought it's complicated, but we still made it. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.